On the 6th of February, we went to the Estrella Damm Factory in Barcelona. We were accompanied by our professor Patricia Castelfi, who is directing the course in digital transformation, which actually focuses on the processes needed to transform a non-digital company into a digital one. We got a presentation by Laura Gill on how Damm is being digitally changed over the years and how her team is working to implement technology in different departments. It was interesting to see that such a large and traditional company identifies a need to digitize and therefore creates a whole new team which is looking for digital opportunities in all departments. We were overwhelmed by the extent of automation in the factory. We saw how the Damm Factory has transformed from being labor-intensive to fully automated robots working in synchronization. After that, we went to the beer tasting room, where we got the opportunity to taste some of Damm's finest beers. For me, it was really interesting doing the beer tasting, since it was actually my first time doing it. We started off with the most popular beer they sold until more specific beers. They explained us where the grain is coming from, how they are creating the beer in the factories, and also how they transported the beers all over the world. I was inspired to see that the industry I'm interested in is only going to become bigger in the future.